Hey everyone, welcome back. In today's video, I'll show you how to add a link to your TikTok bio. So, let's dive right in. To add a link to your TikTok bio, you need to have a TikTok business account. Follow these steps to switch to a business account. On your TikTok main screen, look for the profile icon and tap on it. Go to the settings by tapping on the three horizontal lines in the top right corner of the screen. Then, tap on Account and choose Switch to Business Account. Tap Next and follow the instructions to complete the switch. Once you have a business account, go back to your profile page and look for the Edit Profile button and tap on it. Then, look for the option to add a link and tap on it. Enter your link and tap the Save button. And that's it. You have successfully added a link to your TikTok bio. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon. Thanks for watching.